Hello my friends, in this simple video we will see how we can buy a hosting from Hostinger hosting and get the largest possible discount from Hostinger. Okay, first go to Hostinger by the link which is you will find it in the description under below this video. This link will give you a big discounts up to 79% discount. Okay, after that, as you can see, here are packages for hosting. Choose your suitable package. For me, I always recommend for you choose this or this package. So let's see the features of packages. First, package can run 100 websites and give us managed hosting for WordPress. It can run 25,000 visit monthly and 1 giga SSD storage, and one of the most important things also is unlimited free SSL, which is mean this lock, as you can see. This is very important because it's sure for all search engine and all visitors that your site is secure and no dangerous for explore your site. Okay, and free email, free professional email, weekly backup, and unlimited bandwidth, and also free domain up to $10. Okay, and this package can give you 200 NVMe storage. Okay, here was only 100 SSD storage. NVMe exactly faster than SSD storage, and also unlimited free SSL, unlimited bandwidth, free domain, and extra features is free CDN, WordPress AI tools, and some of WordPress features. Okay, and something also important here, 100,000 visitors monthly. Okay, here was almost 25,000 visit only. Okay, and as you can see, this package Cloud Startup can run 300 websites and can run 200,000 visitors monthly. NVMe storage here like there, and all features include a dedicated IP address. Okay, here you choose your best package. For example, I will choose this, and I will see you how you can buy it and get the largest discount. Now we must to add a promo code which will give us a 10% extra discount for this discount. As you can see here, already we have a big discount. As you can see, from this price we go down to this price, and this is the discount we have. But when we add this promo code, we'll get an extra 10% discount. Okay, click on apply and see here what will happen. Oh, as you can see, 10 extra percent discount, and now we finally have the most discount from Hostinger, and after this choose your period. The longer your subscription period, that's mean the largest possible discount you can get. Okay, if you choose 24 or 12 months, the discount will lower a little bit from 48 months. Okay, so I advise you to choose the longer your subscription period you can choose, because also the price in renews, which is mean lifetime subscription, will be lower. Let me see you now. Okay, as you can see, price here in renewal is higher than the 48 months. Okay, and if I choose 12 months, will be a little high also, and price here also for months a little high. Okay, if I choose 12 months, we will see what will happen. Renews the price for your lifetime. This price is very important because this is the price you will renew your subscription in all time. Okay, lifetime. So when you choose 48 months and get this price for lifetime, this is another feature you must to look for it. Okay, an important feature. And also the price of the month is the most lower price we can get. Okay, and after that we will click on continue. Create an account. You can create it by Gmail or create in Hostinger. I will choose Gmail. As you can see here, this is an order summary. We have a 48 months plan for only $150. Daily backup, 3 extra months, domain name setup, domain privacy protection, all these things for free. Okay, and our coupon code is applied and everything is going well. Here we will type our billing address, and after this click on continue. Here choose your best method to make a payment, and after type your card information, submit payment, and you will buy your hosting. Or you can choose PayPal or Google Pay or Alipay. Okay, this was everything today. I hope this video was useful for you. If this video was useful for you, I hope you support us with click like on the video and subscribe on our channel. You will find the discount link and the coupon code in the description under below this video. Thank you for watching and see you in another video.